Hello again, everybody. So I said to you we were going to start our new story. And the new story is about, let me just find you this picture here, a little butterfly. And the little butterfly's name is Tilla. Can you see she's very, very beautiful. She's got lovely, lovely wings. She's got some feelers there. She's got her little feet. But the wings are probably the most beautiful part of her. And she thought she was the most beautiful butterfly in the whole world. In fact, she thought she was the most beautiful creature in the whole world. More beautiful than all the insects and the animals and the people and everything else. And what she would do is she would fly around the farm and she would sing, "I'm so pretty, I'm so pretty, I'm so pretty." And she would carry on like this all day long. And we just move back a little bit. And all the other insects and the other animals would say, "Yes, Tilla, yes, oh, boring, yes, Tilla, whatever." Oh, they were so tired of her showing off like that. Because, you know, it's not always in fact, it's never very nice to show off. If I said to you, oh, listen, everybody, look at my beautiful jacket, and look at my lovely scarf, and look at my beautiful watch, you would get tired of it, wouldn't you? It's not very nice to always do things like that. So Tilla carried on like this all day, singing her song, and they just said, "Yes, Tilla, whatever, all right, yes, we hear you." Now one day, she was flying around doing her thing, and she saw in the field next door to the farm an empty jam tin. Now, when the sun shines on a tin, sometimes it's kind of like when it shines on water. It makes almost like a mirror so that you can see your reflection. You know what a reflection is? It's when you see yourself. Like when you look in a mirror, you're seeing yourself, so that is your reflection. Say that for me. Reflection. Reflection. So she landed on this jam tin. The sun was shining down on it and she could see herself in the side of it. And she thought, "Oh, but this is very nice, my own mirror. Now I can really see how lovely my wings look. Oh, and my feelers and my legs." Oh, she thought she was lovely. So she's looking at herself, admiring herself in this little mirror, which was actually the jam tin, when a little gust of wind blew. And as it blew her inside the jam tin. And of course, being an empty jam tin, jam is very sticky. And as Tilla fell inside, she got stuck. Her wings got stuck here, her other wing got stuck there, her feelers got stuck somewhere else, her legs got stuck in all different directions. She was completely stuck. She could not get out, and she started to shout, "Help! Help! Somebody help me!" Oh, she shouted and screamed and carried on. Eventually, along came the caterpillar. And the caterpillar was very big and fat, like so. And can you see he's got lots and lots and lots of legs? And you know, a caterpillar, maybe you know this already, a caterpillar eventually forms a cocoon, so almost like a long little, kind of like a little shell, but soft, soft, soft. And he goes to sleep inside the cocoon, and when it's time, he grows into a butterfly. Well, some grow into butterflies and some grow into moths. So this little caterpillar, he was there and he was carrying on along the ground, walking like so with his many legs. And he just had a nice big meal, so he was feeling nice and full. And he heard Tilla screaming. So he climbed his way up the side of the tin and he peered inside and he said, "Hello, Tilla, what seems to be the problem?" Tilla looked at him and she said, "You silly caterpillar, are you blind? Can't you see I'm stuck?" She didn't even say please. She wasn't even nice to him. She just shouted at him. And he said, "All right, Tilla, there's no need to shout. I will try to help you." And so he took hold of her legs and he pulled and he pulled. And she said, "Ow, ow, stop it, please. You're hurting me. Stop, stop. You're going to pull my leg off." And she got very cross with him. "All right," he said. "Sorry, Tiller. I didn't mean to hurt you. Oh dear, I'll see if I can get some more help." So he went along, and he went to go and find the grasshoppers. And the grasshoppers were hop, 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 hopping along in the grass. And they were very, very busy doing whatever grasshoppers do. And he called to them. He said, "Grasshoppers, grasshoppers, won't you come and help Tiller?" Oh, they said, "All right, we'll come." So they went hop, 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 hopping along up to the jam tin. And one of them hopped right to the very top and peered inside. "Hello, Tiller. What are you doing in there? Why don't you come out?" "Oh," she says, "you silly grasshoppers. Are you blind? Can't you see I'm stuck? I would come out if I could. Now get me out of here." "All right, Tiller. There's no need to shout. We will help you." And so the grasshoppers, together with the caterpillar, all grabbed hold of a wing and a feeler and a leg, and they all tried to pull. They pulled and they pulled and they pulled. And she said, "Ow, stop pulling. You got to pull my legs off and my wings off and my feelers off. Stop it now." Oh. And they all let go. "Oh," they said, "Tiller, sorry. We didn't mean to hurt you. Oh dear, we will have to go and get some more help." So they, the crickets, the grasshoppers, went off to go and find the ants. Now the ants, these were little brown ants. You know, you can get brown ants and red ants and black ants. These were little brown ants. They like to work in the sand. And so the brown ants were all marching in a line, very busy doing their work. You know, ants are very, very strong. They can carry so much more than their weight on their backs, and they can still be walking. We can't do that. Ants are way stronger than humans even. So there the ants are busy working, and the grasshoppers went to the ants and they said, "Excuse me, ants, would you mind stopping a moment?" The ants stopped and they said, "Hello, grasshoppers, what can we do for you?" Oh, they said, "Please, won't you come and help Tiller? She's got a bit of a problem." "All right," they said. "Attention, ants, to the jam tin." The ants went marching to the jam tin. And there the little ant, the main one, the boss, the general, he went climbing to the very top and he peered inside. "Hello, Tiller. What are you doing in there? Why don't you come out? It's a lovely day today. The sun is shining." "Oh, I'm so tired of telling the same story. I'm stuck. I would get out if I could. Now will you stop talking and just get me out of here? I'm getting very tired of being in here and I'm hungry." "All right," they said. "There's no need to shout, Tiller. We'll all try and get you out." So all of them now, the ants, the caterpillar, and the grasshoppers, they all climbed in and they all tried to pull. Oh, and they pulled and they pulled and they pulled, and Tiller started screaming blue murder. "Ow, please just stop it. It's not working. How many times must you try the same thing? Stop it now." "Oh," they said, "it's no good. It's no use. We are never going to get her out by pulling. Well, now what are we going to do?" So the caterpillar sat on his many legs and he said, "Oh, well, I don't know. I'm only a caterpillar." And so the cricket, I keep saying a cricket, the grasshoppers came and they sat and they said, "Oh, we don't know. We're only grasshoppers." And then the ants sat together and they said, "Well, we certainly don't know. We are only ants." So they all sat and they tried to think of a plan. Now, next time I see you, I'm going to carry on with the story and I will tell you exactly what happens, because one of them thinks of a very, very good idea to get Tiller out. Now, try and remember the story for next time. Lock it in your brains. Very good. And I'm going to see you soon. Now, first of all, I want to see your English rhyme, okay? So sit back a little bit, take a breath. Good job. We're going to go a little bit faster this time. So we're going to crisscross and no heads or anything like that. Just crisscross like so. Okay. 1, 2, 3. English is over. Our lesson is done. Thank you all for lots of fun. I'll see you again in 1 week's time. So say goodbye and end this rhyme. Good job, everybody. I will carry on with the story next week. Have a lovely weekend. Keep nice and warm, and I will see you soon. Bye.